that's what we're looking at. Right there. And I'm cold, freezing, shaking. Anyways, that's what we gotta go get tomorrow. What's this? It's gone. No. Yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna go get this out. But it's cold. Anyways, excuse them talking about there. And this is what I got right here. See that? And the fuck out of it. Anyways, that's what I wanna do. Right there. Hard to see with the sun, but see, they're all broke. Also, destroyed that right there too. The rest, they're right there. Stuck right there. I guess we hit the ground when the tire fall off, I guess. Out there. It's hard to see. But this is done. I should get another here. Cause another flat tire, you know. Throw them away. And this, the stuff broke in it. We don't need this. Just gonna cut it off. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the bastard out, get it out, and then start beating the studs out and put the new ones in and move on. And that's what I'm gonna do now. And I'm just gonna beat them up. Come with me. Alright. 3 of them. Got more to go. Jesus. Go drive it. Push that one out. Other way. There you go. And now, like I say, I'm just gonna cut this because it is almost all fixed away. We don't need that anyways. I don't do nothing in there other than protect some dust and don't get into the brakes. Until we get near one, it's gonna be out. I'm gonna cut it, but I don't have to figure out how to cut it in a minute and then put the studs in. Well, there it is. Trash. You see the studs are stuck in there. It's hard to see with the sun. But yeah, everything got no circle right there. See what else do we see? That ball right there kinda got stripped out a little, so get that one out in the future. It's gonna be not so nice. And what is up with this brake? That makes no sense. I don't know, guys. What do y'all say about that? I never saw brake. That's like that one. And that is like that. Like, why? I don't know. That's weird. But then look at that line and then look at that one. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that. I have no clue. Anyways, she's gonna get this one going. This is the second time I have to help them get it back on the road. Had to buy the parts too, because they didn't have any moolah. But at least it was just right at $100. So somebody else might give it back to me sometime at some point in life, you know. That's how it goes. So I'm gonna get the parts, put it back home, and hopefully everything goes smooth. Anyways, I got one in almost So we're gonna start with the next one, and you guys let me know how you do yours. I usually put them in there and put the rotor, then put the lug nuts and torque them and let them pull it in. Or you can get them in, I don't know which one is the right way. Let me know. I mean, like I say, I ain't professional. I'm just here to get this band back on the road again, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, with that one, I try to beat it up a little bit, but it started to bend at the very tip of it, and I don't want that to cause that to go kinda not so even, you know. So maybe if I put the disc and then torque it, it will pull it straight. So that's what I'm gonna do with the rest. Get in there, you. Quit running away from me. There you go. So that's what I wanna do, and I put the lug nuts right there. Then I wanna torque them and see if they lined up. Let me know how y'all do it. I'm gonna handle this and see what's up. Anyways, so I got 4 in working on my last one, and so far the strategy is working for me. I'm putting it here, kind of lining them up, you know, the way the glue goes was supposed to go, and then beat it a little with a hammer, and then put a bolt in it and torque it, and it's pulling it in pretty easy, actually, better than what I thought. Okay, I got it done. Now I'm gonna put this rotor in. Looks like new to me. Rotor looks good. This piece doesn't look so good, but that's all I have. Hopefully it didn't bend. Please no, because I don't want to spend no more money, you know. So I'm gonna give it a shot, I guess. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. So that's what I do next. And this is pretty simple to put on. All you have to do is, I'm gonna clean it a little bit in a minute, but just put it in there, just like that. Then put your 2 bolts in the back, one right there and another one down there, right there, right after my finger. 2 bolts that will hold that in, and then we'll put the brakes on and we'll give it a shot. And okay, put that piece in, torque it, and forgot to show how to put the brakes in. And it's pretty simple. I got carried away. It's too cold out here. Just line it up in there. It has 2 bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom, and that's about it. Because after putting your brakes on the right side, that one is kind of loose because I haven't hit the brakes yet. Once I hit the brakes, it will put pressure on and it will stay. But that's about it. I mean, it's gonna need that whole thing replaced eventually, soon, because you got brand new disc. If that's messed up, once I hit the metal hit that, it's gonna mess it up again. So spend $100 on that, might as well they better keep up with it, you know. Anyways, guys, while I'm at it, another question real quick. I have fixed the axle on this one about a month and a half ago, and the next day, or probably 2 days later, the starter went out, and I was told by somebody that the starter went out because I put a new axle in. I never heard that before. That's new to me. Is it true that that's when you replace an axle, your starter goes out? Is it true or not? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear what y'all have to say, because I mean, I don't know. I never heard that before. That's new to me. But what do I know? I'm just learn as I go, you know. We still gotta take care of that. I don't know, maybe today I'm too cold. I could at least get it back on the road and see how we're gonna hit this out right here. She hit it pretty bad. Look at that. So let's see if I can kick it a few times and then see if it goes back. I don't know. I guess we see. But it's done. All I have to do is put the tire back on and I should be on my way to fix mine. Because in the morning it's missing pretty bad. But that's about it. It's all done. And yeah, I'm gonna go find the tire, put it on, and it should be good to go. So this is the tire that I got. I don't know if you can see from the sun. It's probably hard.